So hey friends, are you now so excited? So in this video I am talking about print and the println statement. So what is the main difference between the print and println statement? Let's see. So go to the Google and just type play.kotlin.org. This is online code editor. So this is online code editor play.kotlin.org. In the later video, we will install the IntelliJ IDE, but for now, we will write our code here, play.kotlin.org. So now, this is a print statement, and I now want to print B Learning Club. Next, I now want to print Hello World, and now just I want to print again Kotlin. So now run this. So you can see B Learning Club, Hello and Hello World and Kotlin. If I give space here and also give space here and also give space here and now run it. So now you can see B Learning Club, Hello World and Kotlin. But this is in one line. If I use here print ln and now run it, what you can see, B Learning Club is here, and after B Learning Club it will insert a new line where it is Hello World and Kotlin. If I again here use println, then what is happen? And now just run it, and now you will see after execute the code hello world statement, print statement, and again it will insert a new line for this. So println exactly insert a new line after executing it. Now friends, you can see here details about the print function. That means it doesn't insert a new line at the end of the output. After every print statement, it will not insert any new line, but in println, it will insert a new line after every println statement. Okay, so this is the main difference. It does insert a new line at the end of the output, you can see here. So friends, see you in next video. Tata.